to Romeo Alpha, joining 453 downwind, left-hand downwind.
Rhodes Express 810, runway right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway right, clear for takeoff, Rhodes Express 810.
Rhodes, 810, we have emergency standby. Going on the 220 heading.
Rhodes Express 810, radar contact, fly heading of 100 to Giant Victor 2, resume navigation.
820 has emergency, going to 220 heading, standby.
Rhodes Express 809, cleared visual approach runway 4 right, runway 4 right, clear to land, change my frequency 118.1.
Rhodes Express 809, 4 right, clear to land, clear for visual, with U18-1, Rhodes 809.
Rhodes Express 810, radar contact, turn left, heading 090, join Victor 2, resume navigation, climb and maintain 13,000, stay altitude.
Okay, Rhodes 810, radio check, how do you read?
Rhodes Express 810, loud and clear, how do you hear? Turn left, heading 180.
Okay, Rhodes 810, we've lost an engine. We are on the 220 heading. Maintaining 2,000.
Now I say again, heading 240.
Okay, 240 heading Rhodes 810.
No, Rhodes 809, Rhodes 809, left 240.
240 now, Rhodes 809.
Rhodes Express 810, you're cleared visual approach runway 4 right, you can turn in towards the airport.
Okay, Rhodes 810, we're going to have to run a checklist if we can get a delay vectors.
Heading and just keep me advised and maintain 2000 if that's the altitude you'd like.
Okay, 2000 is good for now. We'll stay around 15 miles from the airport.
And Rhodes Express 809, can you make the turn back in now to the airport? Company's not coming in quite yet.
Okay, we are coming back towards the airport, heading 360 now, Rhodes Express 809.
Rhodes Express 809, you're still cleared for the visual approach to runway 4 right, clear to land.
4 right, clear to land, Rhodes 809.
And Rhodes Express 810, when you get a chance, can I get, the nature of the emergency, I know you said an engine out, which one, how many souls on board and fuel?
Okay, all that is good. We'll give you all that in a little bit, Rhodes 810.
You're ready.
Yeah, Honolulu, Rhodes 810.
Rhodes Express 810, hello, Tower.
Yeah, we can take a turn to the right, towards the airport. We're not ready to land yet, though.
Rhodes Express 810, flight heading of 250.
250, Rhodes 810. And Rhodes 810 would like to come to the airport now.
Rhodes Express 810, roger, confirm you still have the airport in sight, turn right.
Negative.
020. Rhodes Express 810, turn right, heading 020, confirm you still have the airport in sight.
Negative, we don't have the airport, Rhodes 810, 020.
Rhodes Express 810, fly heading of 020, and would you like to intercept the localizer, or do you want vectors?
Vectors straight to the airport. We might let the other
040.
Give me, say again, Rhodes 810.
040, heading Rhodes Express 810.
040, roger, Rhodes 810.
And Rhodes Express 810, is it 2 souls on board, and also how much fuel remaining?
Rhodes 810, standby.
Rhodes Express 810, fly heading of 050.
050, Rhodes Express 810.
Okay, Rhodes 810, situation we've lost number 1, an engine. And we're coming straight to the airport. We're going to need the fire department. There's a chance we're going to lose the other engine too. It's running very hot. And speed is, we're pretty low on the speed. Doesn't look good out here. You might want to let the Coast Guard know as well. And we don't have any hazmat. And fuel is about 2 hours of fuel.
And Rhodes Express 810, how many people are on board?
2 of us.
Rhodes Express 810, roger. Do you have the airport in sight? Rhodes Express 810, do you have the airport in sight?
Negative.
And Rhodes Express 810, low altitude alert. Low altitude alert. Are you able to climb at all?
No, negative.
Rhodes Express 810, roger. Proceed direct to the airport and you are cleared to land any runway.
We need a heading.
Rhodes Express 810, heading 060.
060.
Rhodes Express 810, the trucks are rolling.
You want to let the Coast Guard know as well?
Say that again?
Can you let the Coast Guard know? We can maintain altitude.
We will. Rhodes Express 810, the Coast Guard is on their way.
Thank you very much, appreciate it.
And Rhodes Express 810, if you want to land 8 right, if you can get to the runway, any runway, you are clear to land. Rhodes Express 810. If you can get to runway 8 right or Kalailoa, do you want Kalailoa?
I'd like the closest airport runway, please.
Express 810, Kalailoa Airport is 3 miles north of you, off your 9 to 10 o'clock. Can you get that, Rhodes Express 810? It's to your left, about 3 miles northwest of you.
Okay, give me a heading.
Rhodes Express 810, the airport is about a 310 heading from you.
310, thank you.
Rhodes Express 810, the lights may need to be on 132.6. They may be pilot controlled. Rhodes Express 810. Rhodes Express 810, Honolulu Tower.
Oh, Tower,
Chief 2, Honolulu Tower.
yes, I was trying to call you on ground. Is ground out?
No, I was kind of busy.
Understand. Do you have a status update on this aircraft?
Chief 2, yeah, it looks like they went down in the water about 2 miles southeast of Kalailoa.
Understand. 2 miles southeast of Kalailoa.